Daily routine. Describe your typical day from morning to night. I wake up early in the morning, usually around 6 a.m. The first thing I do is stretch in bed and take a few moments to mentally prepare for the day ahead. Once I feel awake and refreshed, I get out of bed and head to the bathroom to brush my teeth and wash my face. I find that this morning routine helps me feel more awake and ready to start my day. After my morning hygiene routine, I head to the kitchen to make breakfast. I usually keep breakfast simple, opting for oatmeal with fruits or eggs and toast. While I eat, I like to read the news or listen to a podcast to catch up on current events and get my mind going. After breakfast, I sit down with my planner and go over my schedule for the day. I jot down any important tasks or appointments and prioritize my to-do list. I find that having a plan for the day helps me stay focused and productive. Once I've planned my day, I start on my work. I work from home as a freelance writer, so I have the flexibility to choose my hours and projects. I spend the morning writing articles, editing drafts, and communicating with clients. I find that I'm most productive in the morning, so I try to tackle the more challenging tasks during this time. Around midday, I take a break for lunch. I usually prepare a simple meal, like a salad or sandwich, and take the time to relax and recharge. Sometimes, I'll go for a short walk outside to get some fresh air and stretch my legs. In the afternoon, I continue working on my projects. I find that I have a bit of a lull in the early afternoon, so I use this time to do less intensive tasks, like responding to emails or doing research. I also use this time to take care of any errands or household chores that need to be done. As the afternoon turns into evening, I start winding down for the day. I finish up any remaining work tasks and start preparing dinner. I enjoy cooking, so I like to try out new recipes and experiment with different flavors. Dinner is usually a relaxed affair, enjoyed with a book or some music playing in the background. After dinner, I like to unwind with a leisure activity. Sometimes I'll watch a movie or TV show, while other times I'll read a book or listen to music. I find that taking the time to relax and enjoy myself in the evening helps me sleep better and feel more refreshed in the morning. Before bed, I do a few more things to prepare for the next day. I lay out my clothes for the next day, pack my bag if I have any errands or appointments, and write in my journal to reflect on the day's events. Then, I brush my teeth, wash my face, and get into bed. As I lay in bed, I like to do a short meditation or deep breathing exercise to help me relax and unwind. I find that this helps me fall asleep faster and have a more restful night's sleep. Overall, my daily routine is structured yet flexible, allowing me to balance work, leisure, and self-care. I find that having a routine helps me stay organized and productive, while also allowing me to take care of myself and enjoy life's simple pleasures.